Have you watched an amazing, funny, or educational Instagram reel, but you don't know how to find it now? This quick video is going to show you the steps of seeing your reel watch history, and it's pretty easy to do so. I'm first going to scroll through a couple of reels for the purpose of this video, and I'm not going to save or like any of them. I'll just scroll and watch them for a couple of seconds. So how can you now find them and see your reel history? Just hop over to your Instagram profile right here and then click on these three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of the screen. And this is going to open our settings page. The next step is to click on Your Activity right here. And this page will show you your interactions, your likes, and all that other stuff. But go all the way down to the bottom of this page, just like I'm doing right here, and then click on Watch History. This is going to show you a list of your recently watched reels. And you can even sort this list from the oldest to the newest, and vice versa. So that's how we can check our Instagram reels, watch history, everyone. If you found this guide useful, then please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.